If you are experiencing indigestion, yoga is a great way to combat the symptoms. Yoga can help calm your mind and body while also helping to relax any tension in your stomach muscles. The following yoga poses may be particularly beneficial. Child's pose. This pose stretches out the back of the legs, hamstrings, calves and lower back while supporting the abdominal region. Seated forward bend. If you have trouble bending backwards, this stretch will gently open up your spine without causing too much pressure on it. It can also relieve some pain in the neck caused by hunching forward for long periods of time. Legs up against wall. Sitting against a wall with bent knees will help relieve any discomfort. Yoga for indigestion and gas. Yoga for indigestion and gas to relieve bloated, flatulence and restore normal digestion, and how yoga benefits gas. Yoga can help to relieve indigestion and gas by restoring the natural rhythm of your body's processes. Those who suffer from digestive disturbances have often become affected by the chemical additives in foods that carry upsetting properties despite being perfectly safe. Yoga promotes a healthy bowel system, but those with chronic disorders may need to see their GP first. Bloating is curbed best through parathyroid hormone secretion, which regulates calcium metabolism, bone health, and even helps reduce symptoms of PMS. This is increased by the consumption of fresh raw fruit, vegetables, and water. Yoga can help with gas because after many yoga practices there are movements that use the muscles throughout the whole body, like a never-ending series of massage strokes to all parts of your body at once, which has an amazing effect on improving circulation. The circulation helps you to be able to assimilate the nutrients from the food that you eat right down into your cells. If you get an upset stomach due to something you ate, then relax physically with yoga poses or lay on a bed, resting pose, until the stomach settles down. Yoga cures many ailments by bringing harmony back into our bodies. There are simple tips that yoga teachers give their students, like eating slowly, chewing well, drinking more water than usual, knowing what triggers your digestive system to react in such heightened. Yoga for indigestion and bloating. Bloating and indigestion are two of the most common problems that people suffer from. Whether you have been suffering for years or it is a fresh case, if they affect your daily life in a negative manner, it is important to do something about them. People who have to bloat easily feel embarrassed as the gas pressure gets more evident in their tummies due to increased stomach size. Due to this embarrassment, many tend to stop going outside and be at home all day long because they think no one will want to talk with them. This may lead to some other complications like depression, etc. In order not to fall into such situations, you should take care of your body properly and stay happy throughout the days. In order to fight to bloat naturally, here are some yoga exercises that will help you out. The yoga poses. As per the study conducted by Iyengar Yoga Institute, Bombay, these 8 poses should be practiced in order to keep bloating and indigestion at bay. Remember that regular practice is a must for any kind of results. If you want to see results within 2 weeks, then at least do this exercise daily, twice or thrice a day. Here are the following yoga poses. Bow pose, Dhanurasana, wind relieving pose, Pavana Muktasana, pigeon pose, Kapotasana, half shoulder stand, Ardha Sarvangasana, shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, bow pose, Dhanurasana. This yoga pose helps in releasing toxic gas from your body as it gives relief from both gastric problems as well as constipation, which are the primary causes of bloating. It helps in stretching your whole body and reduces the pressure on the stomach and pelvic organs. Wind relieving pose, Pavana Muktasana. This yoga asana is quite effective for treating indigestion and also prevents the bloating caused by the consumption of food items that are difficult to digest, like beans, etc. In order to practice this pose, you have to put one leg on a towel so that it can support your weight while you lay down on your back, having both hands at heart level. You should then exhale all your breath while curling up your near knee towards your abdomen. After holding this position for some time, slowly roll down with little help from your arms. Repeat these steps twice or thrice.